Okay, what we got here today is the Hillbilly Air Conditioner, the new improved model. We're gonna do a test and see what kind of cold air this thing's gonna blow out. Okay, so let's go over here. It's not even on right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do, go over here to a light bulb. We're gonna put the thermometer up to a light bulb and get a temperature reading off that. Okay. Right there, 125 degrees with an open light bulb. Okay, so now we're going to turn the fan on. Go down here, put it up to the vent. See what kind of reading we're getting there. Oh, look at that. You see that? 61.4 degrees. Not bad. .9, and that's without even trying. It wasn't on. The longer you keep it on, the more it blows. Now we're going to turn it back off. Take the fan off. Okay. Show you what's inside this thing. How it gets cold. Look at that. We got a frozen Coke bottle. That's right. Frozen water bottle. And of course, the two. So 3 frozen bottles. Basically, it's all you need in here. It's all insulated, lined. The vents are adjustable. See? Fit inside. There's no air loss. Works wonderful. The one that's on YouTube, the piece of shit with the styrofoam, no, that doesn't cut it. Good to go right here. Hillbilly Air Conditioners. Contact me, Dan Armstrong 007 at gmail.com. I'll make whatever pattern you want. Some of that. Oh, look, maybe some of that. Even better. More animal print. Let me know. Dan Armstrong 007 at gmail.com. There you go.